Hi folks, welcome back to Dave's Camaro Mod channel. Going to be doing another small tweak today. It's the minor details that kind of make a difference for me. So we're replacing, or actually covering, the lug nuts, the chrome lug nuts, with these black lug nut caps, covers. And it's a real simple process. Simply heat up, make it a little bit loose, add some soap and water to the lug nut, and slip the cover right on. So here's how easy it is. Add some soap and water, push the lug nut cover onto the lug, just using my thumb. Make sure it's good and snug. And there you go. Simple, easy mod. See you later.